I'm Jay Sears. I'm the SVP of Demand at the Rubicon project and am the current co-chair of the IAB Tech Council. I'm going to talk today about 5 steps or 5 waves that get us from here to there, from today to what I call digital ad bliss. So the first one is the battle up the stack. On the publisher side, I think many of us have talked about this, but this involves dynamic allocation. It involves work inside the publisher's ad server, and it's a move to programmatic trading, where all decisions are made in real time. And the publisher sellers start thinking about programmatic versus custom selling versus direct and indirect. There stop being arbitrary lines between what's sold direct and what's sold indirect. And with complete control, a combination of best price and best customer wins, and the publisher in the end maintains complete control. There's also a battle up the stack on the buy side, to bigger, better budgets, to the media plan versus the media buy. The media plan versus the media buy. The whole versus the I/O. And one thing for us all to think about is who gets the whole budget? The agency trading desks with a mandate from their holding company, the DSPs that historically have the technology to address the problem, are the ad networks who have the service and the client knowledge to solve the problem. Next is something I've talked a lot about in Ad Age and other places, called the Smart Pipe Manifesto. And the discussion here is, do we have a smart pipe or do we have a dumb pipe? And where are we in our journey to smart pipe? Can we pick up and convey 100% of the value from the publisher side to the advertiser side and vice versa? And there's some obligation on everybody in this room to deliver to the smart pipe. For publishers, we need a clear view of what's happening. We need to get past all those sticky iframes. For SSPs, we need to provide transparency in what I call second-party data. What do we know about the page, the ad slot, and the user that can inform and enrich the auction? For RTB buyers, ad networks, and DSPs who use second-party data in addition to first and third-party data, we need to make sure all that's being utilized to create value in targeting, optimization, and in insights. And I think that's a big area we really haven't discussed. Agency trading desks and operating agencies must work on creating a workforce that can utilize this value. And they need to be talking about media investment versus cost reduction, and about value creation versus cost reduction. We also need to go cross-media, not in silos. Buyers and sellers want value, and value is not conveyed in silos. Buyers and sellers want value, and value is across their customers, wherever those customers are,